Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how you can fix the noisy fan and heat overheating issues in your laptop. So the first reason I would like to mention you that if your laptop is 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, a year older and you have not cleaned a single time, so lots of dust will accumulate. As you can see, here is a cooling fan system, as you can see from the behind also. So what you need to do is you need to clean this cooling fan. So for this you need to open the entire laptop so that you can clean this fan so that it does not contains any more dust after cleaning it. So try to clean it by yourself if you can. So if you're not an expert in opening your laptop, or if you're very new of not knowing that how to open this laptop ports, so I would recommend you go to the service centers or the mechanics who can do for you this opening and cleaning of your internal hardware parts of your laptop. So if you can open your internal ports, then definitely you clean this cooling fan so that you can fix the noisy fan and overheating issues of your respective laptops. So I'll be opening and showing you later. So let me open it, so you keep watching the video till the end. So first of all, you need to open the battery. Then you need to unscrew all the screws from your laptops. Then you can open part by parts. Then once all the screws is open, then you need to open the keyboard section. You need to open the keyboard section from the internal parts. So I'll be opening, so I'm not showing you any more video here. Right now I will be directly opening and showing you just the fan of this laptop. As you can see, now I have cleaned the cooling fan. As you can see, I have removed all the parts of my computer, so I have cleaned finally everything. As you can see, I have completely cleaned my cooling fan. So I'll fix my laptop internal parts again in my laptop, and we'll check out whether the heating issue and the noisy fan problems has been solved or not. So let me fix it, and after fixing it I will be showing whether the noisy fan problem and the overheating issues has been solved or not by cleaning this cooling fan. So I'll be assembling all the parts into my laptop again. So till then you keep watching. Finally I have assembled some parts of my laptop, so till the finishing of this video you keep watching, and I will be showing the complete finish. And I will boot up my laptop after this, and I will show how the noisy fan has been solved or not, and also the heater overheating issue has been solved or not by cleaning the cooling fan. So you keep watching. So finally you can see I have fixed the noisy sound fan and overheating problems on my laptop. So yes, definitely this is the first priority, and if any day you face any problem regarding the overheating issues and noisy fan, then definitely you should definitely clean your cooling fan in under your laptop. So in my first priority, if you face such issue again, so first try to clean the fan, or if you can't clean, then take it to the technicians who can clean your respective fan for you. And if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button And lastly, thanks for watching.